This is the last module. In this module, we are going to discuss some examples of string. To access individual characters in a string. That is, if you want to slice the string and use it individual character, we can use the syntax like string object name along with the index position. So consider a string variable, that is string, and it is having a string signs. If we want to print the first character, we can use stream of 0. That is the variable name, string name along with the index. So the interpreter will print the first character. If we are giving stream of 3, what is the character in the third index? It is E. S0, C1, I2 and 3 will be E. And print stream of -1. Then we will get the last character. So my dear children, how to use the index or how to use the characters individually in a string? We can use index for string name along with the index position. I think you are all clear about how to use index. Try to do this statement in your Pydroid and try with the different syntaxes or different indices. Here I had given 0 and 3, no? You can try with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And check it out, what will be the output. What will be the output of stream of 5? You need to draw a box like this. How I had included welcome in a box along with the index, both in the forward direction and in the backward direction. Try to draw a box with the signs and identify the outputs of each and every print statement. Print stream of 5, print stream of -4, print stream of minus length of stream. So what we will get? Len of stream, we will get the count, total number of count. That will be negative. Then print stream of 8. So you people have to identify the output of the strings. We cannot change the individual letters of string by assigning because string in the Python is immutable. And hence if we try to do this, Python will arise an error, object doesn't support item assignment. My dear children, we cannot change any value or any character in a string using its index. Here I am trying to change RONALDO, that is the given in string number or string which is assigned to a variable name. A name of 1 will return what? 0, that is O. So we are trying to give I in the place of O. I in the place of O. That is in the second line. At the same time, the compiler or the interpreter provides an error. That is, object doesn't support item assignment. However, if you want to change the string with another string, name is a variable that we are trying to change. Instead of Ronaldo, we are trying to change Beckham. So what happens here? Again the error happens. Object does not support item assignment. My dear children, once again I am repeating, we cannot change the individual letters of a string variable. the name variable having a string of Ronaldo and we are trying to change with the I or any other name, so the interpreter automatically gives an error. That is why Python doesn't support string values change. I think you are all clear about the two examples. In the upcoming module we will discuss more. Thank you.